Good morning. It's a pleasure to be here today with Francesco Fava, who is Technical Director of CONTECO Czech, a leading Italian engineering company which works globally. For his presentation inside our Master Contract Claim and Delay Management in Construction Works, to know something about the contents of his presentation.
Yes, first of all, I would like to thank, of course, Master Scuola Presenti and Studio Avvocato Padovan for have given this opportunity to introduce myself and CONTECO Czech in particular. This presentation, of course, we introduced CONTECO Czech, that is, as you said, an engineering company specialized in independent checks and verification of design and construction international projects. It's more than 25 years that we are involved in this kind of activities, and in particular we have been asked both by clients, international and private contractors, to develop claim management support, consultants activity regarding claim management. So I've described, of course, the activity that we have performed in the latest years, and in particular I highlighted the importance of the management of claims regarding delays, and specifically delays due to not incorrect approval process carried out by the client. That is a specific aspect that in our experience could produce great disruptions during the design and construction phases. So we presented two examples of our activities regarding these consultants analysis that we have performed for two main infrastructural projects, where we have been requested by international contractors to perform an independent analysis of the approval process that lead to unnecessary delays and relevant additional costs for the client. So I think it was quite interesting for the attendant to hear this kind of experience, because probably a little bit it has been a little bit different point of view regarding this aspect. I think they were very interested in understanding how can be managed the claim and the delay aspects in this kind of projects. So I think.
Okay. Thank you, Francesco. Just a couple of words about this professional profile, which is the contract and claim manager. That maybe when you talk about contracts, you think mostly about a legal extraction, a legal background. Instead, our students, come from technical backgrounds. They are either engineer or architects. So do you think that this kind of professional profile might be useful for that puts together both the technical point of view and the point of view of the lawyer, might be useful for engineering companies, construction companies, general contractors, etc.?
Absolutely. I think really that is very important, and with a lot of opportunities, provide a lot of opportunities. This kind of professional figure, because as I said also to to the person here who was attending the course. In Italy, in the past, there weren't a great experience in this kind of approach, integrated approach regarding the management, of course, of the contract and consequently of the claim in international context. So it's very important to provide them with this different expertise. We are in a certain way an example of this approach, since in our company we have 2 lawyers inside our company just to provide to our client this integrated approach. So it's very important to have in the same person with the two capabilities, technical and contract aspect, because as we know, our university courses tend to form a high-level technical consultant or professional, but it's difficult to have this kind of different approach and different expertise. So I think that the people who will have this kind of will be highly appreciated by the contractors, also because the contractors in general, Italian contractors, maybe still not have a great experience in this kind of contract, because in the past they were not used to have an approach to the design-build project in a highly complex environment. In recent years, our contractors has to approach with the, for example, Northern Europe countries or America, Middle East, where this kind of approach is mandatory. So you have to improve your competence in this kind of.
Okay. Finally, you know that our students will, in the second half of this specializing master, will have to perform 550 hours of stage, basically 4 months. Do you think that CONTECO might be interested in offering them some stage?
Absolutely. I already said them if they want to attend, to proceed, to perform a stage, we will be happy to host some of them, as we already have done for other masters, for example, for the beam management and so on. Because I think first we can provide them with the interesting environment from this aspect, with this integrated
that
knowledge.
fits very well inside this
Yes,
this
absolutely,
kind of
and also because we think this is a business line also for our company, very, very interesting. So we want to improve our structure and our organization in this sense.
Okay, Francesco, very helpful. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
See you next time.
Thank